gonna get this stock roof rack off. You can see there's a little star Allen key in there. And then I just used a flathead and I put it right here on the side of this clip, like so that it would be going in here. So here, and then I kind of just tapped it with the back of my hand really, really lightly, and then it just popped right open. Yeah, we'll get some more footage of how we get this off and everything. There guys, here's the bracket. Here's where I got my screwdriver in. And then I'm just gonna smack it with the back of my hand here. There you go. Here it is right after I snapped it out, and you'll see there's no broken clip. And then that's all that's in there. This thing just pops right off there. There's 2 clips in the back, so let me see, get this back. You can see right here, there's 2 clips here, and then it would just close and slap back, so you just smack it right there. And then it would go right back in. We got those rear clips removed, or the plates, the covers, whatever you want to call them. Now I'm just gonna do these front ones, and I'll show you that just in case they're a little different. All right guys, so we're at the front of the car here. I'm just standing on the door well. And yeah, we can see it's kind of exactly the same exact deal. We're gonna go right in the corner here, and then just kind of pop it in with our hand to prevent those clips from breaking, and then just pull them off. All right, and you guys can see that it is the same type deal here. We're just gonna pull that one off, those back ones, and then that guy too. Got all the covers off. I'll show you guys that before. And now I'm just gonna take one of these guys off with you on the video. They are a T30. You guys can see the number, where's my finger? Right there, T30. And it's these star heads. So just twist them out. There's 2 on each side, so 2, 4, 6, 8. And then yeah, you'll be on your way to taking your rack off.
All right guys, here's the first one, T30. I'm just gonna whip these off real quick so you guys can see. Cool. This is my apartment garage right now. Oh, the bolts are a lot thicker than I was. That's good to see because for the new mount, we're gonna need some space to mount it. I like that. That's how long the bolt is. T30. Here's the first one. Here's a little hole. And there is the second one. So this guy's off already. As you guys can see, completely removed.
Here's the old holes. Here's the bolts right here, and this is the cover that I pulled off. You guys will see that in the video if you watched it all. And then, here are your holes. All right guys, got that roof rack off. Time for some measurements. Check this out. So to about this point right here, my rack's gonna be somewhere here. I've got, I think it's 73 inches. Let's check it out. Yep, so to like right about there is about 73 to the point I just showed you up there. In between the bolt holes, you got about 4 inches. Let's see, 67 to 71, almost eye to eye, basically. You know, I just scooted over a little bit, but it's basically 4 inches. And then you got all that room. See if the front ones are the same. There's the front ones. Let's see. All right guys, that's the do-it-yourself roof rack removal. I would say watching this video would take you probably 15 minutes to do it yourself. If you guys are finding our videos helpful in any way, please smash that follow button. It helps us a lot. Get more sponsors and to keep doing videos like this for you. So have a good day and Happy New Year's.